What's going on, Power? Welcome back with a large 500 gram fountain from Planet X Fireworks. It is called Happy Frickin' Birthday. You see, it is in the shape of a round cake. Lift it up here, take a look. Happy Birthday Fountain. There's the Planet X. Alright, here's our description. Delicious lemon yellow, purple grapes, white stars, and gold sprinkles. Covered with super big golden showers and bursting with vanilla white crackling flowers. All the yummy goodness that a cake would want to have for your birthday. Happy birthday. So whoever watching this right now, if it is your birthday, well, guess what? This is for you. 500 gram fountain, safe and sane action, coming from Planet X with all your favorite toppings. Alright guys, let's go check out the Happy Birthday Fountain. Birthday cake. Nice. Happy birthday.
All right, that was really cool.